Good afternoon, dear students. Let's continue our topic pronouns. In part 1, we saw the definition of pronouns and the kinds of pronouns, and the kinds will still continue. I think the next kind will be the sixth of them. And I write it here, the sixth one of them, the interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. And these are who, whom, and whose. For example, who invited you? And these pronouns are called interrogative pronouns because they are used to ask questions, as in this sentence. Who invited you? That's a question. Clear? So the pronouns that ask questions are question pronouns or interrogative pronouns. So who invited you? And the next one is who do you want to meet or whom do you want to meet? As you wish, who do you want to meet? And now you see it can be whom also. So whom in old-fashioned English, who in modern English. This is old-fashioned. And who in latest usage. Clear? So who do you want to meet? Whom do you want to meet? So who can always replace whom? Clear? Another interrogative pronoun is what. What will you do? Now, this one, which. Which is better? Clear? What? Which? And finally, whose. Whose is this? Now, here whose is an interrogative pronoun. Whose is this? Interrogative pronoun. But if I say whose book is this? Whose book is this? Now the word book is there, whose is followed by a noun, and so whose is modifying the noun, and the words that modify nouns are called adjectives. So here it is an interrogative what? Adjective. If I say whose is this or whose is this book, it is, in this sentence, whose is an interrogative pronoun. If I say whose book is this, interrogative adjective. Clear? The next one is relative pronouns. Relative pronouns. And these are who, whose, whom, which. For example, this is the man who met me yesterday. Now, this is the man who met me yesterday. The word who is a relative pronoun, and who is used for living beings. Now, if I say this is the pen I lost, you have this one. Are you a thief, man? This is the pen which I lost or I gave to your brother. Now, which is used for non-living things or just for things, you see, for inanimate things. Clear? This is the pen which I gave to your brother. So, who is used for living beings and which is used for non-living things? Clear? Now, guys, I just would like you to know the forms. I would like you to know the forms of pronouns, and after that, I'll show you some sentences and I'll tell you there are some implications in those sentences, and I'll explain those to you. So now let's talk about the forms of pronouns. For example, subjective form. Subjective form. What is that? He, she, it, you, we, they, and what? And what, man? I. He, she, it, you, we, they, I. Subjective forms. Clear? They are in subjective form. Now, objective form would be, so the objective forms would be me, her, him, you, us, them, it, etc. And a few examples I'll show you. He gave me a pen. Me is the objective form because me is the object of give. Clear? So he gave me a pen. Objective forms. And the next kind of forms are possessive forms of pronouns. Possessive forms. Now see, if I say this pen is mine, yours, hers, theirs, ours, his, etc. Then all of these, see, they are possessive pronouns. This pen is mine, this pen is yours, this pen is hers, this pen is theirs, this pen is ours, this pen is his, etc. Possessive pronouns. Clear? So there's nothing to be explain it to you about this. Now, I just want to show you something here. There is an implication, and that is this. If I say this is your pen, or her pen, or his pen, or my pen, or our pen, or their pen, then you see all of these, well, they precede a noun, and so they're modifying a noun. Clear? So these ones are what? They are possessives. Clear? Very good. But they are not pronouns, they are possessive adjectives. Why? Because they come before a noun. If your, her, his, these come before a noun, and so they are possessive adjectives and not possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are, like this pen is yours, this pen is hers, this pen is his, this pen is mine, this pen is ours, this pen is theirs. Then they are possessive pronouns. But if the pen is after them, then they are possessive adjectives because they modify a noun, pen. So this is your pen, her pen, his pen, my pen, our pen, their pen. These are possessive adjectives. So you know the difference between the two now? Or you do not? You do. Good. Now guys, I'd like to show you some sentences. And you have to find mistakes in them. For example, now I'll show you some examples. Look at this sentence. I and he are going there. What is wrong in this sentence? I and he are going there. This is a wrong sentence. What would be the right one? Let's see, this is the first person and the third person. So the third person has to be put first. The third person has to be put first. He and I are going there. Now this sentence is right. So what is the rule? Third person first and first person later. Third person first and first person later. Clear? Now let me show you another sentence. He, you, and I will do it. This is a wrong sentence. He, you, and I will do it. No, guys. It has to be something else. What? Let's see. It has to be you, he, and I will do it. Now, do you know why so? You, he, and I will do it. Because you need to take care of the sequence of pronouns. Here we have all three pronouns, the first and the second and third person. So the you see second person, third, when you have all the three persons, then second person first, clear, then third person, then first person. Clear? So remember the rule, like in the above sentence, you saw there was third person first and first person later. Here you have all the three persons, first, second, third, then two, three, one. Remember the rule. Do not confuse with one with the other. Clear? If you do not put the pronouns in the right sequence, your marks will be deducted. That would be a wrong sentence, a grammatically wrong sentence. So be careful about this one. Clear? Yeah. Now the third one is he and you were classmates. He and you were classmates? Hey guys, you see, this is another wrong sentence. Why? Let's see. He and you. Again, there's the mistake of the sequence of pronouns. It has to be you and he were classmates. Then it would be wrong. So when you have the second and the third person, the second person would be first, then the third person would be there. Clear? Another sentence for you. You and I are gonna do that. You and I are gonna do that. Now, this is a perfect sentence. Do you know why? Because they have this right order, two and then one. Clear? Always remember, never forget them. Clear? Okay, another sentence that I would like to show you and I would like you to correct. It's me who teaches you, or who teach you. It's me who teach you. It's me who teach you. Hey guys, there's something wrong here. You see, who teach you? What is right? Me teach you or I teach you? This one, I teach you. So here it should be I. Clear? It's I who teach you. Got it? It's I who teach you. In the same way, look at this sentence here. It's him who told me about you. Now what? It should be it's he who told me about you. It has to be in the subjective form. Clear? So be careful about these things, and that's all about pronouns, guys. Thank you very much.